This is Indraneel Bhattacharya, Vice President Marketing, Lakshmi Machine Works Machine Tool Division. We have come up with a roadshow with 3 of our machines, and these are all new generation high-tech machines which has been in market now for say few months now. And one of the most successful model in the machining center is the J series model, in which we are displaying the J1, which is fast selling machine. Now what is the difference? This is the 4th generation machining center from LMW. The speeds have gone up, the machines are more compact, the productivity is higher than earlier machines. Now if you see the machine, there are many changes have been made from the earlier machines. One of them is it's 25% floor space is less. That's one of the biggest thing. It is much more compact, completely fully covered machine. Nowhere you will see any of the wires or any other body machine part will be available. Better coolant and chip management has been provided in the machine. Extra flushing is there. Over that, this machine comes as different variants. It's a modular kind of machine. We start with 500, 600 and 600, and we go up to 1000 traverse. And the best part is the y-axis we can increase up to 600 mm, which helps for the die and mold. So it's a very versatile machine, and it has picked up the market very fast at selling very well. I can only request our customers to have a look on it and see how equivalent to any import this machine has come in.